Well, hey there guys and girls who are following the Fallout project. That is Fallout Panda, Project 4x4, which is the Facebook group. If you are on the page, if not, check it out if you're on Facebook, and please do like it, because it's I keep posting some pretty good content on there. Well, I say I keep posting it. I'm naturally going to say it's going to be good, but I don't know, it's for the fans to decide, I guess. But anyway, you didn't come here to hear me talk about that. You came here to see what I've done with this thing. Now, as you guys know, I want to, in the Project Fallout car, I want to put a little tiny screen in there, and I really want to be able to run the game Fallout in the car. Well, just so happens I found myself on a very nice little China export site, Chinese wholesaling website, known as AliExpress.com. It's a very good site. They don't do PayPal or anything on there. It's direct, use your card. Works really well. So, I went on there and I managed to find this amazing little touch screen, 7-inch display. It has a VGA input. This is 12-volt inputs coming from, of all things, my external hard drive caddy. But it has VGA input, which is currently plugged into this laptop, this Toshiba laptop here. It's just plugged into there. The cable does not come with it, sadly. You have to source that yourself. However, what you do get is the touchscreen, which is this little panel here, if I can lift it off. Let's lift it off, there you go. That's the touchscreen there. You get the little control buttons here, which control the screen. That's the power button. Obviously I've got to wire all these in. Well, I'm not going to wire them in because they're already wired in. I've just got to put them in somehow into the car. So you get menus and things. I'm not sure what this panel is out of. It could be out of the television, as it does get pictures of TV, and you've got an audio thing there, but it's not highlighted. So you can't scroll down to it. It just skips past it. I'm guessing that's a module you can get that plugs into this thing. But you can choose different things. I've got the brightness set to maximum on the thing. It's default set to 50%. But yeah, you have a infrared window there, infrared receiver, so and you do get a little remote control with it. It's not much of a remote control. It's basically video select, menu button left right, which is also your up and down, and your mode select, which is and power as well. There's no battery in this. This did not come with a battery either. I got some water in there from off my glass. Drinking cola. Fake cola, might I add. I don't drink the genuine stuff because I can't afford it. Please donate. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, so I'm using the mouse at the moment because trying to play the game Fallout is a pain in the arse on a touchscreen. I don't know if you've ever tried that before. Maybe you've not, but believe me, it is. But as you can see, I've just blown up Megaton. Because I'm currently playing an evil character. I got Mr. Tenpenny over there. But yeah, as you can see, it's this screen's amazing quality. The quality of the screen's really good, and that's through the touch panel display too. I haven't got much room on this desk, so I don't really want to let the screen fall off. I've got to make a nice display case, well, not display case, but I've got to try and make a frame for it to sit in, so that way I can it won't fall out and slide everywhere. Then I can bolt it to the dashboard in the car. There's no screw holes in the side of this particular display. There's quite a few LED lights on it and things, as well as one on the actual control panel. The touch panel on this is separate from the screen. It comes with it, but it is a separate thing, which means that if you so want to, you can just use the screen, or if you've got another screen, you can just use the touch panel on that if you so wish. Don't mind the transistor floating around, that's nothing to do with this. That's with experiments I've been doing. So that's the touchscreen controller, which literally plugs in via USB. Nice and simple. This particular Toshiba laptop, the screen panel's fine on it, but this particular laptop has got a lot of USB ports in it. And the laptop is going to be hidden somewhere in the car, I'm not sure where. I've been making it so that you know, I can turn it on and off and this and that, leave it on standby or sleep mode or something. And I actually had planned to just remove the screen off the machine and the panel, because I don't think I need that. And what I could do is have this like in the roof of the car, in the roof lining. It would probably work quite nicely. And then just have USB drivers, USB extension leads down the A pillars or the B pillars, hidden behind plastics or whatnot, or whatever. Leave them hanging, because wires, why the hell not? And then to a simple mouse, or I could even make it wireless, you know, wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. That way I wouldn't have to bother with USB things. And you know, I could have, say, a simple center console thing on the car where I could have a mouse pad or something, I'm not sure. And the keyboard, I could make that so it comes out from the dashboard and then it could unclip. That would look quite nice. Try and make it, you know, Fallout looking like one of the Fallout keyboards, but try and keep the configuration as close as I can to the Fallout game. Probably use an old hacked consoles keyboard like an Amiga or ZX Spectrum or Commodore 64 or something. If I can find one. If I can find a Commodore 64 that's broken but the keyboard's still good, then I could use that. That'd be alright. Especially if I could you know, sit it on top of an original keyboard and then remap the keys so that, you know, I get my WASDs and whatnot. That'd be quite cool. What else? Just bear me a second, I'm being called. Alright guys and girls, sorry about that. It's one of those things, as soon as you start doing a video, the whole world decides to want you for some reason. So yeah, like I was saying, the touchscreen's separate from this display, so you can remove that or, you know, whatnot. So yeah, my character currently. The machine that I'm running here is not 100% fast enough to play the game. Let me just go out of this. And I'll show you the touchscreen. There we go, let's exit the game. Don't know how well this is all going to come out. Yeah, I've been playing with backgrounds and things. So, as you can see, the touchscreen works quite well. If I open something like Paint or something, if I had a better service to put it all on, it'd be great, but I don't. Paint. Yeah, Paint. So as you can see, I've got Paint. It's pretty cool. It's quite a sensitive display. It's nice. It's good. Better if I had a stylus or something, but it's alright. It'll do. It works pretty good for the like I say, web browsing. It's quite good. Obviously, I have to keep using the keyboard. I've got the on-screen keyboard that I can use. Yeah, I'm really used to Android-based stuff, where as soon as you type in a text box and it comes up, which is nice. So as soon as you hit text box, I'm used to the Android keyboard that flicks up, and I was like, oh, where is it? But yeah. But whatever, this does work. So it's just one thing I've got to get used to. It's the Windows-based one, I guess. But yeah, Google search, it's pretty good. But anyway, yep, that's about it for this video, guys and girls, and yeah, hopefully I'll be fitting it to the dashboard at some point in time. I'm not sure when, but some point in time. Alright guys and girls, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.